Hello and welcome to the Android Forums YouTube channel. I'm Night Angel, your friendly resident admin, and I'm going to do an unboxing of the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Now, this is not your typical exciting unboxing because, as you can see, there's not much to it. I picked it up from Best Buy about an hour ago as is, so a little less hurrah, if you will. I know how exciting these usually are. There we go. Not quite perfect. All right, step one, done. All right, nice little compact package. I do like the purple S20 on the front. Purple, blue, close enough, right? Let's get that out of the way. All right, so package contains Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, pre-installed SIM card, wall charger. I'm pretty sure it's only an 18-watt wall charger. I feel like I read that. I'll double check though. The phone is compatible up to 25-watt wired for super fast charging, so that's super nice. Stereo headset, and a quick reference guide and terms and conditions. We will be going through every page of that. It's very important and everyone should read that. All right, well, I'm struggling to actually open the box itself. I will have a shorter unboxing video. I've got a lot of accessories to review. All right, enough of that because here's our main event. My first impression is it's not as big as I expected it would look. This is a Pixel 3 XL in a case, so let's just pop this out. So right off the bat, I'm not seeing a lot of difference in size, which is great. Obviously, one of the complaints with the Pixel series in general is you got the large bezels. This one actually has the camera bump. All right, well, that's one way to just get it all out. Now, as I mentioned, I got this from Best Buy, which was a bit more of a pain in the butt process than I would have liked. For more on that, see below in the description for a link to several different threads, this unboxing, discussions, a little bit of my feedback from my experience from Best Buy. All right, I wanted to make sure I got the Verizon version because I've just had bad luck with unlocked phones and certain weird things Verizon doesn't like. However, getting the Verizon version from Best Buy did allow me to get this wonderful looking blue color, which looks great in person. Now I am going to wrap this in a case, and I'm going to try a bunch of different out and preview some of them here. However, I can see me going with a clear case, and I don't know how well that shows up, but get a nice color shift on the phone. But okay, set that to the side because everything exploded out. All right, here is the earbuds. Sound by AKG. Not a giant earbud fan. I don't really like them, but this looks like a rather nice set. Probably has some okay sound. Spoiler alert, my wife is going to steal those. Standard USB-C cable. Doesn't appear to be much more than 3 feet. Yeah, I'd say that's 3 feet at best. So I think for now we're going to leave this guy coiled up. And just use a longer one and have this as backup. And then the Samsung super fast charger. So the fact that it says super fast means this is almost definitely 25 watt. So I don't see where it says the wattage output. Now we've got some numbers and volts and whatnot. I was kind of hoping just to see 25 watt. But the fact that it says super fast charger tells me that we are in fact cooking with fire. Or grease, or however that saying goes. Well, heck, that's glued in there. So I joked about the terms and conditions. hiding in here. So you thought we lucked out, huh? Well, we have the tray removal tool. I'm sure that has an actual name. That I don't know what it is. We'll put that up. Can never have too many of those. Terms and conditions. Kind of thought I would have saw the little adapter to plug two phones in together to transfer stuff, but not there. Quick reference guide, never a bad idea, especially if you actually have some questions, but this is interesting. I'd seen the leaks of this already. Well, it wasn't really leaks. It was just a statement they put out. This device does come with a screen protector, and I can kind of feel it. So, interesting. Well, all right. That is the device. All right, so as it powers up, I'll quickly wrap this up with all items. Headphones, wire, 3 foot, not very impressed by the size. Super fast charger, boxes, terms and conditions, screen protector warning.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Well, aren't we fancy? So look forward to more videos from Android Forums where we do unboxings on the Galaxy S20, the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The thing is a beast, along with all the accessories you can think of, chargers, phone cases, whatever your heart desires. So thanks for watching. Tune in next time.